Whoa! Hello and welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out today. We've got a nice little cheapy model on the desk for you to have a look at. This is the UDI RC Panther. This thing, look at this on the box. Whoa, that looks absolutely mean. You won't believe how cheap this thing is. According to the box as well, guys, it's 4-wheel drive, ready to run, headlights, LiPo battery. We got a gyro stabilizer in there as well. Let's see if that works. Speed control, all-terrain tyres and drift tyres, all in the box, ready to run. £60. Can you believe how cheap that is? I've seen a few videos. I'm wondering if it's going to look as good inside. Also, I forgot to mention, we've got LED lights on this thing as well for that price point. Put that on the bench. Hopefully you can see it there. And our radio, 2.4 radio. And a spare box of wheels, hopefully. Drift rims, chargers, and so on. The first thing you want to do, and you're definitely going to want to do this, is peel. Ooh, look how shiny that is. Wow. And the one for the rest of the body, let's see if it comes off just as easy. No, it's behind the lights, so you're going to have to cut it. Oh no. Ooh, wow. Shiny. I love doing this to new models. Wow. And there you go. Shiny. We'll cut that away later on the front because we got a grill holding some of that in on the front there. So let's just take these clips out and have a look what is underneath here. Ready? Ooh, look at that. We've got a 7.4 volt battery. We've got a separate servo. Nice. We've got a joint receiver and speed control and light control. Shocks. There ain't nothing in the shocks really, but guys, this is £60. It's sort of, I would say it's definitely not toy grade, it's definitely model grade. So look on the bottom there. And you even got a foam bumper on the front as well. Tyres, they feel quite grippy to be honest. That's crazy. What have we got in this bag here then as well? Let's have a look. Fancy tools as well. Hey. We've got our drift rims, solid plastic. That's actually a separate tyre on the rim as well. That's impressive. We've got a small toolkit, screwdriver, extra body clips, some steering links, and a Rex wrench. Hex wrench. Rex wrench. And then we have got as well in this bag here a little charger. Because I think it comes with a LiPo battery. Don't get me wrong, I'm pretty sure it says it on the box as well. Let's get some batteries in this remote. I want to get it all fired up, get some batteries in it. No way. So I'm literally just swapping over the rubber tyres for the drift ones. Check this out. Metal bearings, guys. What? On a £60 car. We've also got metal drive shafts as well in there. That is crazy. Let me get these wheels on and come back to you. What can I say? I mean, so far I am impressed. This thing looks absolutely brilliant. The front there, you got white LEDs surrounded by red LEDs. You got a rear LED at the back as well. Little diffuser there. The body looks absolutely fantastic on it as well. Like, there's a lot of detail there. And not to mention, that looks a billion times better with them black rims on instead of these white ones with the rubbers on. And I'm in it for the drifting anyway, guys, to be honest. I'm going to try and drift this thing. I want to see what that gyro's like as well. I've noticed that the gyro doesn't work as it is right there. But when you apply some throttle, the gyro does automatically work when you apply the throttle, which is great. One thing I've worked out as well on the throttle. So you got a switch there, 1, 2 and 3. So you got full throttle on 1. Knock it up to 2. Even more throttle, and then 3, full whack. I will say as well, when you get this out the box, the steering is on the third dial on the right there. That is on very low, and you think, hang on, my servo's broke, it's barely steering. So you have to turn this all the way up for full steering. like so. And that has actually got a decent lock on it as well. I think this thing is going to drift straight out the box. I am dead impressed with this, guys. Right, what we need to do is get this thing off the table and see if we can get this thing literally drifting in this small room on the floor. If we can, this thing's a complete success. I mean, wow, I can't believe it. Link in the description below as well, guys, to Appliance Electronics for letting me in the shop and having a browse round. Go check them out. Right, here we go. Let's just try and get a little bit of drift action. It is a really small room, guys, but let's check it out and see if we can do it. We set up 2 cones. Let's go. Let's see if we can get a little bit of slowing around these cones. There we go. Wow. Oh my God. I'm very, very, very impressed. This is probably the best 60 cones I've ever spent on RC, ever. It's actually really, really driftable. Look at that! Wow! Wow! Dead impressed, guys. Wow! I have never been more impressed than this entry-level model. It's absolutely incredible. It wants for nothing, guys. It works straight out of the box. It drifts really nice. I can imagine it's still a lot of fun with these rubber tyres on as well. I'm very, very, very impressed. I really am. I'm going to be using this a lot more than I thought I would be. Anyway, guys, if you like the unboxing and you want to see more videos of this, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below if you've got one. Have you done anything different to it? Have you left it as it is? Have you used it and abused it? Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya! This is awesome! Just quickly, while I was taking the shell off this to recharge the battery up for next time, I did notice that it's a lithium-ion battery, not a light-polymer battery. Does still come with a charger and everything else. Still recommend charging this thing safely. Always keep an eye on it. Anyway, guys, see you on the next one.